Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 14b of chapter 14, polygons. One question is written here, question number 8. Each interior angle of a polygon is 108 degree. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 108 degree. How many sides does it have? So let the required number of sides, let the required number of sides be n. Let the, how many sides? So let the required number of sides be n. Now, according to question, each interior angle equal to 108 degree. That implies each interior angle equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n equal to 108 degree. Now, here remove the bracket, so 180 degree into n, 180 degree n minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 360 degree. N by transposition change into multiply, so 108 degree n into n, 108 degree n. Now 180 degree n, 108 degree n by transposition change into minus 108 degree n equal to minus 360 degree by transposition change into plus 360 degree. Now subtract here 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2 degree. And 7 minus 0, 72 degree n equal to 360 degree. Now that implies n equal to 360 degree by 72 degree. Now 9 times 9 8 the 72 and 9 4 the 36. 8 5 the 40. So n equal to 5 answer. The number of sides equal to 5. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is question number 10 on this board. In a regular polygon, each interior angle is thrice the exterior angle. The number of sides of the polygon is. We have to find the number of sides of the regular polygon. So let the required number of sides be n. Let the required number of sides be n. According to question, each interior angle equal to thrice the exterior angle. So 3 into each exterior angle. Thrice the each exterior angle. Each interior angle equal to 3 into each exterior angle according to question. That implies each interior angle n minus 2 into 180 degree by n equal to 3 into each exterior angle of n sides regular polygon is 360 degree by n, and each interior angle of n sides regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. So n to n cancel. Now remove the bracket. N into 180 degree, so 180 degree n minus 360 degree equal to 360 degree multiplied by 3, 0 into 3 0, 6 3 ja 18, of 8 carry 1, 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10, 1080 degree n minus 360 degree equal to 1080 degree. Now 180 degree n equal to minus 360 by transposition change into plus 360 degree. That implies 180 degree n equal to add it 0 degree, 8 plus 6 14, of 4 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 1 is 1, 1440 degree. Now that implies n equal to 1440 degree by 180 degree. 0 to 0 cancel. 18 8 ja 144 equal to 8. Number of sides be 8 answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 13, written on this board. The sum of all interior angles. The sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is 1080 degree. Is 1080 degree. What is the measure of each of its interior angle? First of all, let the number of sides be n. According to question, the sum of all interior angles equal to 1080 degrees given. That implies the sum of all interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 1080 degree. Remove the bracket. N into 180, so 180 degree n minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 360 degree equal to 1080 degree. That implies 180 degree n equal to 1080 degree minus 360 degree by transposition change into plus 360 degree. That implies 180 degree n equal to 1080 degree plus 360 degree equal to 1440 degree. Now change it. That implies n equal to 1440 degree by 180 degree. 0 to 0 cancel. 18 8 are 144 equal to number of sides be n. Now we have to find what is the measure of each interior angle. Therefore, each interior angle equal to, formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. n minus 2 into 180 degree means sum of the all interior angles. That means 1080 degree. So 1080 degree by n. n is 8. So divided by 8. 8 1 8. 10 minus 8 3. 10 minus 8 2. Sorry. 10 minus 8 2. 2 8 28. 8 3 is 24. 28 minus 24 4. 4 0 40. 8 5 is 40. Equal to 135 degree answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 14. It is last question also. The interior angle of a regular polygon exceeds its exterior angle by 108 degree. Interior angles exceeds its exterior angle by 108 degree. How many sides does the polygon have? So let the required number of sides, be n. According to question, interior angle of a regular polygon exceeds. So each interior angle equal to each exterior angle. Interior angle exceeds its exterior angle by 108. So in exterior angle plus 108 degree, then both are equal, same. Now each interior angle equal to each exterior angle plus 108 degree. Now write formula. Each interior angle equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree by n equal to each exterior angle equal to 360 degree by n plus 108 degree. Now next step is remove the bracket. 180 degree n minus 360 degree by n equal to, take an LCM n. So 360 degree plus 108 degree into n, 108 degree n. Now n to n cancel. That implies 180 degree n minus 360 degree equal to 360 degree plus 108 degree n. Now by transposition, 180 degree n minus 100 plus 108 degree n by transposition minus 108 degree n equal to 360 degree minus 360 degree by transposition plus 360 degree. Here 180 degree n minus 108 degree n equal to 72 degree n equal to 360 degree plus 360 degree equal to 720 degree. So now that implies 72 degree n equal to 720 degree. That implies n equal to 720 degree by 72 degree. 72 10 so that equal to 10 answer. Number of sides be 10. Understand and write. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 14b. Thank you. That's all.